Okay. Now I can really, jump out of the airplane. I hope. I don't think I'm high enough to jump out of the airplane. At all. I'm getting, sick here. Trying to keep the airplane up in the sky. It's giving me a headache. Okay. Well, this is. Nope, nope. Stay up. Stay up. Well, I need. There we go. Let's fly out to the warehouses and. Hmm. Oh, no, no, upside down. I'm not very good on upside down airplanes at all. Not good at it. Maybe I could try upside down and then jump out. Ooh, that's a good idea. Let's go. Up, loopy loop. Come on. Nope. Loopy loop. And then jump out. Nah, not doing the loopy loop. Okay. Fine. No. Go down. And now. It comes from being here in about a second. Oh, time to skedaddle. Or hide. Something. Woo! In the in the tunnel down here. Quickly! Quickly! Quickly now. Okay, one hand recording and another hand controlling the character. And not a good combination at all. Got one star, which is not bad. Oh, never mind. Cops are gone. Ah. Yes, I'm at 407. And I got $8.8 million plus 599,000. The oh look, the transit is coming. Okay. Left arm is getting tired, and yep. Great, now I need to put new batteries. That's just perfect. I hate cheapy batteries. I need to get rechargeable batteries. Okay,